Hi, this presentation is entitled What to Do When You Have Been Sued. It is presented by the Clements Law Group, LLC. You can reach us by telephone at 404-212-1928. It is my sincere hope that after you watch this video, you will realize that you have valuable rights that are worth protecting and that we can help you. Let me tell you how I got started. I had a couple from church that had a trucking business that they lost. Their trucks were repossessed and sold at auction, and they were being sued for over $30,000. They received lots of letters from lawyers advising them to file for bankruptcy, but they didn't want to file for bankruptcy. They came to me for help, and I agreed to take on their case. I learned the rules, I filed an answer for them, and ultimately I got their case dismissed and had the other side pay their attorney's fees. I have good news for you. One, just because you've been sued, you don't have to file for bankruptcy, although you got lots of letters offering you that option. You do have valuable legal rights that are worth fighting for and worth protecting. You are going to need a lawyer because this is a very technical legal minefield that making the wrong mistake can cost you big. But you have to fight back. If you don't fight back, you're going to lose. And the last thing is, don't panic. You can win this case. We can help. I handle two types of cases: car repossession cases and credit card cases. In car repossession cases, it's very straightforward, like that couple. Your cars get repossessed, they get sold at auction, and now they're coming after you for the balance. I raise the consumer defenses that are available to you. I challenge whether they have the right to sue you by raising standing. I challenge the contract. I challenge all facets of that transaction. In credit card cases, your debt is charged off and sold to a debt buyer. That debt buyer then sues you for the full balance. Again, I raise the consumer defenses and I challenge whether they have standing to sue, whether they can prove the existence of a contract, whether they can prove the exact amount that you owe. And I also raise counterclaims as well. In both cases, the counterclaims are predicated upon a violation of federal law, and if they are found to violate that law, then they have to pay you damages, they have to pay your attorney's fees, and they have to pay court costs. It is worth fighting back. Now, let me also tell you a little bit about myself. Here I am. I have been appearing on television as a legal analyst for about 15 years. I'm a consumer rights and criminal defense attorney. I've been practicing law for 23 years. Go to my website, clementslawgroup.com, and click on the media tab, and you can see me, you can hear me, and get an understanding of the type of lawyer that I am. I am an aggressive lawyer that will fight hard for you. Let's talk about legal fees. I know that you're being sued over a debt, but my fees are affordable. They're based on a percentage of what you owe. I offer payment plans if you call me within 3 days of receiving my mailing. I have saved my clients thousands of dollars. I will tell you this: if you lose this case, if you don't fight back, you're going to have to pay the money they've sued you for, plus some of their attorney's fees, court costs, and interest. They can garnish your paycheck up to 25%. They can garnish your bank account. And all of this will continue until that debt is paid off. Not calling a lawyer is the most costly mistake that you can make. Now, choose to be free. Stop feeling depressed and overwhelmed. There's hope. Stop feeling like you have no hope. You have rights that we will fight for. Call me, Kirby Clements. I'll give you a free 15-minute phone consultation. Call me at 404-212-1928. Visit me at clementslawgroup.com to learn more. Thank you very much.